Alright everybody, this is just in. A major earthquake has just hit Alaska. 7.1 on the Richter scale. Now, what this means is that the end of the world may be a little bit closer. And let me just tell you why I believe that. Mathew chapter 24 talks about an increase in earthquakes being a sign. And we just had one in Washington yesterday, one in California, one in Peru just last week, and now 7.1 in Alaska. It's just too much. And remember Haiti and Chile and of course Japan. Well, you know, there's nothing wrong with the coming of Jesus or the end of the world, but if you're not in tune with it, study a little bit. You might find it interesting.